Hello and welcome dear viewers. In this video we would be discussing about the categories of SQL command. By now we have already discussed that the data collected in database management system is stored in the form of relation, also known as table. A table consists of attributes which are columns and tuples which are rows. For creating these attributes and tuples, we certainly need some or the other commands. बिना commands के कोई भी relation या database create करना possible नहीं है. अगर हमको पुराने tables या database access करने हैं या new tables या database क्रिएट करने हैं, दोनों के लिए ही कमांड्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. लाइक इफ़ आई विश टू सी द टेबल्स दैट आर अवेलेबल और इफ़ आई विश टू सी द structure of a database that is created or the structure of a table that is created, I certainly need few commands. So these commands are categorized under various categories. And what are those categories? Those categories are DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. In this video, we'll be discussing all these in detail. So first and foremost is DDL, which stands for Data Definition Language. It allows us to perform tasks related to data definition, that is structure of a table. You can see here in my SQL, I have a list of relation, that is table, stored in the database class 12. इस class 12 database में ये सारे tables created हैं. Created मतलब हमने इनका structure define किया. Like roll number का data type integer होगा, admission number है तो data type char होगा. We would be learning these data types in our upcoming video in details, where I'll be showing you practically how to create table and then how to access the data present in it. Right now we would be discussing only the categories of command. तो हमको अगर कोई नया database बनाना है, class 12 एक single database है. आपके MySQL में ऐसे कई databases हो सकते हैं और हर database के अंदर कई tables सेव हो सकते हैं. So if I wish to create a table, to delete a table, to create a database, to drop a database, that means we are talking about the structure of the relation. This comes under the category of DDL, Data Definition Language. Here you are defining the main structure. So the commonly used data definition language commands are create command, drop command, alter command. Alter commands are also used for changing the definition. These are the records entered in my table student. See, this is the structure where we are saying roll number is integer data type. So naturally you will enter number. जबकि student name का data type char है तो आप इसमें number नहीं डालेंगे, alphabets डालेंगे. लेकिन इस table student के अंदर कौन सा data, कौन से records feed हैं, ये अगर चेक करना है तो उसका कमांड अलग है. And this command is showing me the records that are entered. So the command used for entering records is not coming under the category of definition. Definition का भी कौन सा है जिसमें ये define हो गया कि इस table में केवल 4 ही attributes हैं, केवल 4 ही column हैं. अब अगर मुझे एक attribute बढ़ाना है, increase करना है, तो इसकी definition change करनी पड़ेगी. Then we'll use alter command. So alter command, create command, drop commands, these come under the category of definition. Next is DML, Data Manipulation Language. This allows us to manipulate the data from the table. We have seen here, these are the details available in my table. If I wish to add more record, or if I wish to change my roll number 105 from marks 59 to 68. Suppose the child has given retest and his marks has increased. I wish to delete particular record of roll number 103. The child has taken TC. So this is what working or manipulating the data which is in the table student. So this comes under the category DML. I hope you got this concept clear. Definition का मतलब हम structure की बात कर रहे हैं और manipulation का मतलब सिर्फ जो अंदर data items हैं, tuples हैं, उनमें changes. So what are the commands that come under DML? The commands are insert, values which you can insert. Update means the value which is already there and you wish to change it. Delete means the value which you want to remove from the table. These all come under manipulation. Coming up next is data control language. As the word control itself is making clear, this is helpful in giving rights and permission. That means if you wish to give authority to a particular person, for example, if you're working in a company, naturally the database is not accessed by every person working in the company. हम हर किसी को ये permission नहीं देते हैं because of security reasons. So if you wish to give permission to a person, you can use grant command for permitting the user, whereas you can use revoke command to remove the authorization. So the commands under data control languages are grant and revoke. Coming up last is transaction control language. This helps us to manage and control the transactions on the table which are already created. The commands in this category are commit, which is used to save the changes. Means there is a table which is already created and now if you wish to do the change and use commit, the changes would be saved. Rollback is used to roll back the change, and save point creates group of transactions. It creates points within the group of transaction in which you did roll back. So I hope in this video you would have got clear the various categories, that is DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. In our upcoming videos, we would be learning our data types and commands for creating relation in RDBMS using SQL command. So stay connected. Thank you.